Okay, so what I have here is one X connector. This is my power lead, so that always lit up. And I got one other leg that lit up, but my other two legs did not. And so what I have here is a polarity issue. And so I can explain this as in, we all know that rope light, the pins, the wires running through the rope light are offset either to the right or to the left. So in this case here, these wires are offset to the right. So I have one other leg of this X connector is also offset to the right, and the other two are offset to the left. So what happens is, if you continuously put the power connector on the same end, the correct end that you think you should, then two will work and two will not. So all you have to do is pull these out, reinstall the power connector on the other end, and reinstall it to the X connector. So that's what we'll do. Pull that out, turn the power off. Okay, they're now installed opposite what they started out as. Okay, so with any luck, all four legs of the X connector will light up. And there you go. So all four legs are now lit. So anytime that you encounter an issue with one of the accessories, it's probably just a reverse polarity issue. Didn't damage the rope light, didn't hurt the rope light in any way. It just wouldn't light up. Therefore, you just take that leg out and flip it around 180 degrees, reinstall it. Good to go.